Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe my channel and tap bell icon for all latest videos. Hey guys, welcome to the next lecture. Today we will talk about network host and network node. In this lecture we will learn about what is actually in network in a configuration and what is a node in configuration. Let's see. See guys, in this lecture we will talk about what is a host in network and how do I find my computer's host name and what is network node and its example and how identify the nodes. Let's see one by one we will discuss guys. So coming to first one, what is a host in network? Yes, a host is a computer that is a accessible our network. So it can be a client server or any other type of computer. Each host has a unique identifier called a host name. If your system have a host name, it can allow other computers to access it. So host we can use send or receive the data servers or the applications here. So see guys, here I found my computer's host name here by using command prompt. You can type in the command prompt and like your computer host name, and by the accessories command prompt in the window opens. At the prompt you have to enter your host name and result you can check here. So next you can see what is node in network and its example guys. So coming to node in telecommunication networks, a node is either a redistribution point or a communication endpoint. So here a physical network node is an electronic device that is attached to a network and is capable of creations or receiving or transmitting information over a communication channel. So here any system or a device connected to a network called a node. For example, if a network connected a file server, 5 computers and 2 printers, there are 8 nodes on the network. Each device on the network has a network address such as MAC address. As we know, MAC address is a uniquely it identifies each device. This help keep track of where the data is being transferred to end from the network. Coming to example of node, bridges, switches, hubs and more to nodes, other computers, printers and servers. One of the most common forms of a node is a host computer. So guys, coming to brief about node, I heard in a computer network a node is either a connection point, in a redistribution point or a communication point, right? In order otherwise, a node refers to a point or a joint where a connection takes place. A node may be a data communication equipment that can be used to establish communication such as modem, hub, bridge, switch, etc. Or data terminal equipment, that is, it can be end device such as digital telephone, headset, printer, host, computer, etc. So that how identify nodes here, say a node is any region combination of wires that connects electronic components, right? So start at one electrical component at and colored in every wire and junction that connects into other components. A node has the same voltage everywhere in that node. So a question in mind, how many nodes are in a network? Generally, two or more nodes are in order to